hungry. Well, now introducing random crap in a bowl. Things you will need for this project are the most premium bowl you can find, creamy peanut butter, and Hershey's cookies and cream. Alright, so what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to take a bit of peanut butter and just go. And what you're going to want to do next is take some of your newly founded chocolate chips, and you're just going to want to.
Oh dear, oh my god, that's not too much.
And then after that, once you have about 5 centipeders in there, you're going to want to turn this into modern Americanism. I got crap all over my counter. And now you have the final product, which I'm now going to be calling modern Americanism. So the point of this dish is to simulate what most people would eat on a daily basis. Some type of sugar and some type of peanut butter, yes. And so what most people do to eat this is they just spoon it into their mouth. Jesus, that's horrible. And because we are so confident that you will love our American crap, we hired professional crack taster and or trend taster Owen Casey to enjoy this awesome meal. It's not even a meal. Okay, I'm just gonna taste this now. It's not good at all. No, you're wrong. It's say it's amazing for the camera. No! Ah.